Rekindle lost love with Return a Lover, your compass to restoring cherished bonds. In the labyrinth of life, relationships are the threads that weave together the fabric of our existence. They are a source of joy, comfort, and belonging. However, like every journey, the voyage of love too can face storms that may lead to estranged hearts. In such tumultuous times, a guiding light that can help navigate through the rough waters to reunite with your lost love is a blessing. Return. A lover emerges as that guiding light, offering a sanctuary for hearts yearning to rekindle the flame of love. Return. A lover is not just a service, it's a journey towards healing, understanding, and reconciliation. It's about traversing through the realms of emotions, finding closure, and reigniting the spark that once illuminated your relationship. The essence of return. A lover is deeply rooted in empathy, understanding, and a genuine desire to help individuals find their way back to love. The compassionate approach is reflective of a humane touch that acknowledges the intricate, delicate nature of relationships. One of the cardinal offerings at Return a Lover is the personalized consultation service. Understanding that every relationship is unique, with its own set of challenges and dynamics, the service is tailored to cater to the individual needs of every client. The process begins with an insightful consultation, which aims at understanding the core issues that have led to the estrangement. Armed with a deep understanding, the skilled practitioners at Return a Lover employ a blend of counseling, guidance, and spiritual methodologies to carve a pathway towards reconciliation. The approach is holistic, addressing not only the superficial issues but delving into the deeper emotional and spiritual realms that govern the bonds of love. The testimonials of numerous reunited hearts stand as a testament to the efficacy and the compassionate approach of Return a Lover. The joy of rekindled love, the warmth of embraced hearts, and the harmony of restored relationships echo the success and the positive impact of the services offered. Moreover, the blog section on the Return a Lover website is a treasure trove of insightful articles. It provides readers with a deeper understanding of relationships, the challenges faced, and offers guidance on nurturing a healthy, loving bond. It's not just about returning a lover, it's about fostering a relationship that's grounded in love, trust, and understanding. Return. A lover extends beyond the digital realm. It's about creating a real, tangible impact in the lives of individuals seeking to rekindle love. The journey with Return. A lover is not just about finding your way back to your beloved, but it's also about self-discovery, healing, and nurturing a bond that's resilient, loving, and fulfilling. In conclusion, Return. A lover is a sanctuary for estranged hearts, a platform that not only helps in rekindling love, but also in nurturing relationships to blossom into a garden of love, trust, and understanding. It's about celebrating love, overcoming challenges, and cherishing the beautiful journey of togetherness. Return a Lover invites you to embark on this enriching journey towards love, understanding, and reconciliation. It's not just about returning a lover, it's about returning to love.